During this video, we will be going over the letter names and sounds. We will be reviewing the names of the 26 letters of the alphabet, and we will be talking about the sounds that they make. So very first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these lowercase letters and we're going to say the letter names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We're going to look at that same set of letters, and this time instead of saying the letters' names, we're going to say the sounds that they make. Please don't try to go past me, but stay with me and follow the cursor on the screen. So let's go through and say those sounds. A, B, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we're going to just keep going. Again, this video is the letter names and the sounds that they make. That's what we're working on. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. If you followed the cursor, just went across and told you that. If you look at these, some of these letters have been highlighted red. Those red letters are the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Coming soon, we'll talk about what those vowels do. Right now, I just want you to begin taking note of what they look like, which ones are the vowels. Let's say the letter names again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Just to change things up, well, not really, they're not brand new. Let's look at the uppercase or the capital letters as we go through this time, and let's say the sounds of the letters. Please don't race me, stay with me. I want to make sure that you get this correctly, because what we're doing here will help us build when we try to read words. So stay with me and let's master this. The sounds of the letters. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, just a reminder of what we have done and why we're doing it. We have named, we looked at these symbols that I just drew my cursor across. Those are the letters of the alphabet. There are 26 of them. We said the letter names, and then we said the most common sounds that those letters make. We also looked at the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So this video again was to review the names of the 26 letters and the sounds that those letters make most of the time. And we also listed the vowels A, E, I, O, U.